everyone. Good morning. Michael, good morning to you. I got you squared away. Here's everything that I have removed from the 3-year-old build. No longer a ductor tune. 2 bad transistors. 2 good ones. Now put your 4 matched ones in here. That's always a good idea. Always. No matter what. To replace all the final transistors. Because when you're patching things, you're putting strong transistors, or new ones, let me just say that, besides ones that have been used that are still strong, but they are not new. So I put everything in here like it's done now. You are attenuated a little bit. Somewhat. See what the dead key is here. Let me turn my mic gain down. 100 watt max dead key from the amp. I like to keep it lower. Oh, it's 50 watts. Perfect. 20 watts in. Almost a watt and a half. Alright, let me turn my mic gain up. Input reflect. Virtually nothing. Peak watts. Hello audio, got down. Hello audio, got down. Alright. Now, if I remove this, it will do more. We're just going to leave it there. Alright. Preamp still works. Got just switch cover on here. Didn't have one on before, so nowadays they get switch covers. Okay. So that's it. I'm gonna put the fans on it, and you did a great packing job on it. I appreciate that. And I am going to do a 2879C 1x4 base, and on the, where are those supplies at? Oh, variable volt supplies for, we'll go up to 15.5 volts. It's going to be a 2x8 variable volt amplifier base, and it will have 2879Cs in it also. Now, I've just ordered a bunch more 2879Cs. I am seriously thinking about using them a lot more. Not in everything, because it does drive up the cost of the build, but y'all seen where I drove the 2879Cs with 2 2879s. So there you go. How long the longevity is on that, I do not know. but it seems like it will be fine. Now the 2879Cs, the power difference doesn't seem to be all that much difference, but I myself and other colleagues seem to feel that the 2879Cs will take more drive and outlast the regular HGs. Now, with that being said, I have seen the 2879Cs go up in smoke. Now, that could just be because of operator error or anything like that. And I have also seen, and I have done it myself. That's how I know. I have actually, a friend of mine here local, had 4 2879Cs in his amp. 2 of them went down. For what reason? I don't know. It's not important. What is important is this factor right here. I dropped 2 regular 2879s in it, and it works just fine. 2 2879Cs and 2 regular HG 2879s, and it works just fine. So the 2879Cs are still a big learning process for everyone, whether it be at me, whether it be at any other builder out there. These 2879Cs are changing regularly, so nothing remains the same at all times with them, it seems like. But anyway, alright, Michael, I'm going to put the fan on this thing, and I am doing deliveries on Monday or Tuesday. Most likely Monday. So I will get up with you on this so that we can get this off to you Monday. My man Trey, if yours comes here Saturday, like it's supposed to have the variable put in. I don't know who built the amp or whatever, it's just got a bad variable. I'm going to put a new variable in it for him, and we're going to get that back to him. And anyway, alright, we'll catch y'all later. Y'all be safe out there, and y'all take care. Oh, and the 2x8 2879C variable volt amplifier I am also going to put a happy meter in it so you have something to watch swing. I think I've only done 2 like that, but this one, the 2x8 I'm going to do, is going to have one of those in it. It's a pain in the ass to cut the hole for that stupid meter and so forth, but it's cool. So anyway, it may have a green voltmeter in it. I found these that I had for a while, These are green. They stick out a little bit, but they have a real big display. And I like them. They don't fit flush like this, but they are a much bigger display. So with that, 73s everyone. I'll catch you all later. I got to get building a 2879C 1x4. You know what? I'm even thinking about making it a 2x 2879, driving 4 2879Cs. Thinking about it, but I'm probably not going to do it. Oh Lord. Alright, catch y'all later. You know who it is. It's Alley Cat. In Alley Cat Town, Alabama. 0137 in the BAM, and I got down